Good morning, Satya and Yogesh.
Morning, sir.
Artificial intelligence is probably the most talked about technology today. From students using AI for assignments to companies using AI for customer support, AI is everywhere. Many people now want to know whether they can build a business using AI. So today's discussion is simple. How can an ordinary person start an AI-based e-commerce business in India? Sati, why is AI creating so much excitement among the entrepreneurs today?
So, sir, AI is a solving problem across multiple industries. So, for business wants to reduce the cost, to improve the efficiency, and make a faster decisions, AI helps in achieving all the three. So, the exciting part is the entrepreneur is no longer need huge technology team because many AI tools can be available for subscription models.
Sir, I agree, sir. Clearly, the starting technology company requires a significant investment, sir. Today, even the student can use the AI model to create an own website or solution for business, sir. That's why the AI entrepreneurship has become the more accessible, sir.
Before starting an AI business, whom should entrepreneurs focus on?
So, sir, first they should focus on the people who are repetitive problems. For example, a small business struggles with the customer support and content creation, lead generation, and data management. So these are the areas where AI can provide an immediate value.
So, exactly, instead of asking what the AI tool can I build, entrepreneurship should ask what the problem can I solve. The customer does not buy the AI, they can buy a solution, sir.
What are the most common business problems AI can solve today?
Sir, many companies spending a lot of time to answering the repetitive customer questions. So now the AI chatbot can handle those queries instantly, sir. Similarly, the marketing teams can spend an hours to create a content which they can create in a fraction of seconds.
Yeah. So that's really good, Yogesh. Analysis of major issue is decision making. So small business often don't analyze data properly. So AI can identify the patterns and provide the insight that helps the owner to make a better business decisions.
Okay, well said. Can we define the main problem that creates an AI business opportunity?
The problem is that business wants to improve productivity but often lack of time. So expertise and a manpower.
So I would like to define the way the businesses need an affordable way to create an automated network, sir, to improve the efficiency and consistency, sir, with hiring the large teams.
Okay. Once we identify the problem, what AI business ideas can emerge?
Sir, they have the more opportunities like entrepreneurship can build an AI powered customer support for their queries and services, the AI content, AI generated content, sir, an AI marketing solution, an AI resume building, sir, and or like AI based educational programs like videos, contents, etc.
Yeah, Yogesh. Even niche solutions can work. For example, an AI tool specifically designed for the real estate or business agents or a doctor can high valuable because it solves the industry specific problem, right?
Yeah, among these ideas, which is best for beginners?
So I think AI powered service business are easiest to start. Instead of building a software from scratches, an entrepreneurs can use an existing AI tools offer a service to client.
Sir, I agree, sir. So starting with the service requires less investment, and once entrepreneurship understands the customer needs, and they can gradually develop their solutions, sir.
How should someone test an AI business idea?
So starting with a small prototype, for example, if I want to create an AI content service, they can afford with the 5 local business and measure their results, sir.
Exactly, Yogesh, that the goal is not perfection. The goal is to validate whether the customers are willing to pay for the solution.
Then, how important is feedback during?
So feedback is critical. Customer often is a real problem that entrepreneurs never consider. So the feedbacks help to improve the solution before scaling.
So many startups are failing because their customer feedback they are never validating, sir. Because the customer feedback is one of the valuable points to improve our company, sir.
How can AI business generate revenue?
So there are several options. Entrepreneurship can charge monthly subscriptions or project fee or the consuming a free or license free, sir.
So for the beginning, requiring monthly subscriptions are attractive because they provide a predictable incomes for a long-term customer relationship.
What challenges should entrepreneurs expect?
So the biggest challenge is competing because AI tools are becoming widely available. So businesses need to differentiate themselves through the better service and the industrial expertise.
So another challenge is trust, sir. When the end customer need a assurance of their data and their products, sir, they can generate the output in relevance, sir.
Okay, suppose the business gains traction, how can it grow?
So an entrepreneur can expand to a new industry, sir, hire specialists and create a standardized process, and automation can help to serve the more customers, sir.
Yes, Yogesh, but the partnership also important, right?
Yeah.
So collaborating with the software companies, educational institutions or industrial associates can accelerate the growth, right?
Okay, where do you see AI businesses heading in the next 5 years?
So, sir, AI will become a more personalized business. It will be use AI not only for the automation but also for the customized customer experience.
Sir, I believe that the AI can expand in every industry, sir. For example, healthcare, education, manufacturing and agriculture. To include all in enormous opportunity, the entrepreneurship can start anywhere, sir. Example, new student can start in healthcare based or agriculture based, sir.
Today's discussion showed that starting an AI-based business is not about building the complex technology. It begins with understanding the customer problems and finding the ways to solve them using AI. Satya and Yogesh highlighted the importance of identifying the pain points, validating the ideas, collecting the feedback, and choosing the sustainable business models. We also learned that AI is creating opportunities across almost every industry. The key takeaway is simple: don't start with AI, start with the problem, then use AI as a tool to solve it better, faster, and more efficiently. Thank you, Satya and Yogesh, for the insightful discussion.
Thank you.